When was the last time you updated your business website? If it's been a while, your site might be at risk of slow performance, security vulnerabilities, or poor user experience, issues that can turn potential customers away. Curtis Priest, CEO of PixelCarve, puts it this way: website support makes sure that your site runs smoothly, adapts to the latest technological advancements, and meets user expectations. Let's break down why website support is a must for small businesses. First, regular updates maintain your site's performance and search rankings. Outdated websites tend to fall behind in search results, while those with consistent updates remain visible and competitive. Support teams handle the upkeep, managing both content and software to keep your site aligned with current trends. Then there's security, something no business can afford to overlook. Cyber threats are a growing risk, especially for small businesses, with over 60% of small to medium-sized businesses targeted by attacks. A support team implements essential security protocols, protecting both your business and customer data, and they're there to restore your site quickly if something goes wrong. Website support also provides flexibility as your business grows. Want to add new features or content? Your support team can help you integrate updates that improve user experience, like intuitive navigation, on-site booking, or even personalized recommendations. And when technical issues do come up, professional troubleshooting gets things back on track quickly. A dedicated team minimizes downtime, keeping your website available when your customers need it most. To read the full overview of why website support matters, check out our article on the PixelCarve website. If you're tuning in through Spotify, don't forget to add us to your playlist for more insights.